The best alternative reference letters are the substitutes you can use to replace your job reference letter if you are not able to get one. For one reason or the other, you may not be able to get a reference letter when you are applying for express entry. In such cases, what you have to do is get one of the alternative reference letters for Canada PR. This video provides you with lots of information, so you would want to stick around till the end. Welcome back to our channel. Work-Study Visa provide 100% free up-to-date guides to help foreigners like yourself visit, study in, work in Canada or immigrate permanently. Canada is currently the welcoming country in the world, and we're excited to assist you come here. If this is your first time visiting, please consider subscribing to our channel. That way you get first-hand information at no cost. Simply hit the subscribe button, share the video and smash the thumbs up to help promote our work. One more thing. Feel free to ask your question via the comment section and our staff will respond. Now, let's get back to the topic of the day. If you applying for Canada PR under the Express Entry System or under the Atlantic Immigration Pilot Program or any of the other Provincial Nominee Program, then you will need to submit the job reference letter from your current or previous employers. The candidate must submit this letter to Immigration, Refugee, and Citizenship Canada, IRCC, to show proof of Canada's work experience when the candidate is applying for Canada PR. The applicant must get a letter from the organization where he or she has worked with all the specific information. This letter is called an employment reference letter. This is necessary when you've received an invitation to apply ITA through Express Entry, but you have to get it ready, so that immediately you get an ITA, you can submit a work reference letter as part of your application for permanent residence. Keep in mind that in the absence of a reference letter containing all of the required information, the final decision as to whether or not your additional documents demonstrate your work experience will be at the full discretion of the immigration officer who assesses your application. But in some cases, your organization or employer may refuse to give you a job reference letter, and in such cases, you will have to find alternative reference letters either from your coworker, customers, or supervisor. When do you need a work reference letter for Express Entry? You will need a reference letter once you are applying for Canada PR through the Express Entry system, which has a two-step process. First, as a candidate, you must prepare and submit an Express Entry profile, and if you are an eligible candidate, you will be accepted into the Express Entry pool of candidates. Secondly, if you are among the most competitive candidates in the pool, based on the Comprehensive Ranking System, CRS, you will receive an invitation to apply, ITA, in an Express Entry draw. You have only 60 days from the date you receive your ITA to submit a complete electronic application for permanent residence. You don't need to submit the reference letter at the beginning stages of your Express Entry, but it is advisable to prepare it if you hope to get ITA, since you have only 60 days to submit everything once you receive an invitation to apply from IRCC. This way, you will be able to have them ready by the end of the 60-day deadline for your electronic application submission. An employment reference letter is an official document from any organization or company that confirms that you worked with them in a particular position for a particular number of years with the salary you received. If your work reference letter meets the criteria for Canada PR, then you may be able to get your permanent residency. Thank you for visiting our channel. We hope this topic was helpful. Just before you go, please don't forget to subscribe, share this video and hit the like button. You can also visit our website for more resources, check the description below. Thanks for supporting our work.